friends, welcome to my channel, and this is another video. I hope you all are doing well. This Ankur here signing in from rope riding. Today I will unbox one item that I've ordered from Amazon.in, and that will be a DJI Spark Fly More combo package. I ordered around 15 days ago and I got it today. So let's unbox this and we'll show you a few clips of a first flight. Let's start the journey here. So here you can see, here is a DJI Spark that I have here in front of me. So I ordered it from Amazon. So it's a seller whose name is Ceramic Expert. So it took a long time to reach here. It took more than 10 days. So now it looks like a box base completely sealed. You can see here that here is a seal which says lava red. So I actually ordered a white one, but not sure what is inside here. And here is a seal. It's a bit right. So here I have the box. You can see a bag. This is a Fly More combo Mavic Pro. So I've got the box here. Open this. This will have the drone. Let's keep it aside. And here I think all the manuals, what is required. Let's keep it like this. Okay. So there's a bunch of manual out here. पता नहीं किसको time होगा ये सब पढ़ने के लिए. But it will be helpful if you are not new to drones and if you are not aware of how to handle it. So let's open the drone how it is. Is there any seal or something out here? Nothing. Let's open it. Alright, I open it a different way. Alright, this is the red one. Red silica gel. Here's the spare battery. That is in a Fly More combo. Keep it here. Right, here the extra propeller. Total of 1, 2, 3, total of 4 extra propellers which is provided in the Fly More combo. Here you can see the drone. Alright, everything looks good. It's neat. It's really new, brand new one. No seal open. You can see here to turn off the battery. And here is the gimbal camera. Here, no damage, nothing. All fine. Alright. Let's keep it. So let's see what is there in the Fly More combo bag that I have here. We keep this battery inside. Something like that. Okay, cool. Here is the main part, which is the best part in a Fly More combo, where you can get a nice bag, finish, leather finish, with kind of fabric is also there, which is kind of waterproof. I'm not sure if it's waterproof or not. Okay. Here you get a USB cable, micro USB to USB, to charge your drone. Here I have drone charger adapter. You can charge all 3 battery at the same time. I have 2. I can get 1 more to charge it all together at the same time. And here is the main thing, which I get it along with the Fly More combo. That is the drone controller. Here's the controller. Nice. You don't have to use any stick to protect the joystick from getting damaged during transit. And let's see. Here's the charger. Right here. Here is a propeller guard. So 4 propeller guard and the charger cable. That's all. That's it. You can keep the drone here while traveling. And here's a place where you can keep stuff like memory card and all small things. That's it. All right. So let me first check out. Keep this drone and controller in charge. Till then, we'll shoot a video on the drone flight. So that will be the first flight for this drone. Let's start the first flight today. So we'll take out my DJI drone outside for the first time, and we'll try the first flight just besides my house itself. And later we will go and check some other place and find out a nice place to take a drone shot. So this I'm trying to find out how it works and its features. So let's start.
साला पता ही नहीं चल रहा किधर है, इतना धूप आ रहा है ना, हम जस्ट घूम रहे हैं उसको देख देख के।
Return to home.
ओ भाई
I was about to lose the drone because of the GPS signal loss and because of high wind. Somehow I managed to get it down. Let's see few other clips that I have taken.